Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today we're going to be coloring in the Low Income Savings Challenge coloring book again. And if you're new here, this is where we save what we can when we can. No pressure, no shame, just progress. Today is a fresh start because we're opening a brand new page in the challenge, and that always feels motivating to me. New page, new momentum, same goal. Building security one small step at a time. Today, I'm going to end up saving a total of $15. I know for some people that doesn't sound like much, but if you're living on a tight budget, you already know. 15 is intentional. It's a decision. It's saying, I choose future me today. What I love about this challenge is that it reminds me saving doesn't have to be dramatic to be powerful. It just has to be consistent. I actually wanted to share a little moment from my weekend that reminded me of balance. I went to the movies to watch The Housemaid after reading the book. And let me tell you, it was really good. If you're a Frida McFadden fan, you'd love it. If you've read the book, you know exactly what I mean. I was curious how they'd pull it off on screen, and honestly, they did a great job. It kept me in suspense. It was full of twists. I loved all of it. I left the theater thinking, okay, that was definitely worth it. And not only did I buy myself a ticket, I bought a ticket for my daughter and my mother. So we made it a girls' day out. We went to the mall and we went to eat in the food court. So there's a lot of balance in my life. It's not just about a bunch of savings. But anyway, back to the savings challenge. Now here's why I'm sharing that in the savings video, because sometimes people think saving money means you never get to enjoy anything, like you have to say no to every little joy, and that's just not sustainable, especially when you're already under financial stress. Going to the movies was a planned expense for me. I didn't overspend. As a matter of fact, we went to the matinee, and my mom, because she's in her 70s, she got a senior discount, so that ticket was discounted. I didn't feel guilty either. I enjoyed it, and then I came right back home and still saved my $15 today. That's what real life budgeting looks like. You can enjoy a movie, you can enjoy a moment, and you can still build savings. Both things can exist at the same time. If all you can save right now is $5, that counts. If today is a no spend day instead, that counts too. If you're just watching and getting motivated, that counts as well. Starting a new page today reminds me that we're not behind, we're just continuing. So today, another $15 saved, another page started, and another reminder that progress doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to keep going. If you're doing this challenge with me, tell me in the comments how much you saved today. Or you can drop me a movie-related emoji if you've seen The Housemaid, read the book, or you simply have balance in your life and you have not only that savings bug, but you also allow for a little bit of fun. All right, well, that's it. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. As always, I will leave a link to the book in the description box in the first pinned comment, and I hope you all have an amazing day. I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye for now, everyone. I have a couple of channels that I'd love to shout out. You may want to check them out and tell them I sent you.